This video might get you promoted. I took my performance reviews from average to absolutely outstanding with one piece of advice, and you can do that too. By the end of this video, you'll have the benefit of the best piece of career advice that I've ever received in 20 years of working in high pressure corporate environments. You'll have all the ammunition you need to take your performance levels through the roof. And this advice could get you that promotion or that pay rise. At the very least, it'll make you a much more valued and worthy member of your team and organization. Picture the scene. I'm a few years into a corporate career and I'm lucky enough to be working for a big, prestigious investment bank. But I'm struggling. I've been finding the demands of the corporate world too much for me to handle. I've been struggling with performance, confidence is low, morale is down. I've got so much work, so much talent that I'm competing against as well. I just don't feel like I'm making an impact. How can I be trying so damn hard and yet be told, Paul, your performance isn't up to scratch here. Paul, you need to improve. Paul, your performance isn't good enough. How is that even possible with the hours I'm putting in? It was emotional and it was upsetting. Are you in that position? Are you trying super hard but getting nowhere? Are you putting in all the hours but your performance is struggling? And then it all changed. So I had a colleague who was started at the same level as me, but he was moving rapidly up the ranks, whereas I wasn't. So I asked this guy, I said, what's your secret? Why are you making progress? And he said, Paul, the secret to making progress is to deliver, deliver, deliver. Build a reputation as somebody that always gets the job done and you will become invaluable. And that was it. Not so much of a light bulb moment, more like an explosion inside my brain. It just resonated. But why does deliver, deliver, deliver make such a massive difference? Let's look at that in a little more detail. Why does deliver, deliver, deliver actually work? So the message here is obviously to become somebody that consistently delivers. That means you get work done to time, at the right quality, time after time after time. And here's why this is such good advice. Because you can't just wake up and decide to be somebody that delivers all the time. You can't just click your fingers to say, right, I'm now a deliverer. The word deliver is just the top of the iceberg. In order to make deliver a reality, you need to have so many other foundations in place and working well. There's a massive amount underpinning that goal of consistent delivery. So what do you need to do? What do you need to get in place to be able to deliver? Well, workload management. You need to be able to handle your inbox, your work pipeline and tasks using methodologies and systems. You need to know about project planning, setting dates accurately, managing scope and project management ability. Stakeholder management, communication, setting expectations, building those stakeholder relationships. People management, managing and coaching your own teams, empowering and involving your colleagues to bring their best selves to work every day. Managing upwards, understanding the dynamics of senior management, their expectations, strategies and plans and how it works, knowing how to sell your achievements to your management and beyond. Mental health, understanding the pressures of constant work, dealing with pressure, stress and avoiding burnout while maintaining motivation and morale. Emotional intelligence, developing self-awareness, the awareness of others, situational awareness, using empathy and humility to get the best out of your colleagues. Networking and communication, getting to know the right people, being known, making sure you're adding value. Reliability, producing a consistent experience for your clients, your peers and your team. You always turn up when you say you will. You always reply when you promise to. You never ignore emails or messages. You keep it consistent. You stay positive. You collaborate, you help others, you help them get their goals done without mourning, gossiping or thinking that the world is against you. And I could easily list another 20 fundamental pillars that you need to have nailed to be able to fully realize that delivering mindset. There is so much to it. So the impact of deliver, deliver, deliver is one that can really get you promoted. It's like career rocket fuel. Now it's obviously better if you can start your career by smashing it at work and not have to reinvent yourself. And if you're a new team leader, then you're likely to be about to experience these common problems that can ruin a leadership career before it even starts. But lucky you, I've got a video that lists 8 of the common career killers that you need to avoid. So check it out here.